no mbia muno kigimo mwanchumo ligereria ba television ya Ndizi TV mnatokwa na bulitangani morobeli Ekeumbu na inde twanyicakire buna lituko lya Juma Mosi ere lituko lya rero na nagotebio mugeni one no twalengenere kage lituko lya Juma Mosi kurende ntuyige tikukwanira mangana ali twatake tikukwanira singe ntu abwate technical hitch keigo yagarete tugakorera morobeli nkera kurende bari bakurigeria mangana technicians barigeria mangana ayo bakarongei na rero tore no kwegena na ngokwana turamangana itobune ganirie morogoba yabono agende tokobogoria na maiso na boiga mato totegerere na guturikere SMS gwetrese namba erigoro gabo ase TV yao elinde etokwana mangana ria torengete ntwe buno Gusii magoroba yabono aya onoro murobiri bwoka ogoisaransa elinde kwarigereria aye ne amate yao kiagara nigo tokwana mangana ria korengete aye muna uchumi ya sarikire imense ya Kenya na bwo magendero ali abeire egago chaka okorekana ikiagero nyore obochori nemitinyange tatu ya etrigo jumate maigagaiga ebichigosoa bona baraiba ndete kubeke mirobelio yonsi koneke buna ba chakire ko beke foundation ya mangana iyo koleta magendero into ndori go chikokira go ikatokwana kira lituko engineer Kennedy Omwoyo no ali gaiga se studio mna nagote ya bulitangani oyo ga engineer
nawe yo
mwirebia
mbiyamona sana
na kiwandre
mbiyande
wiki no twalenga tukachikokwana tukanyora technical hitching kego korende Petronila na Nyamete Esbon ba nyirigirerie no kuina tubwate na lero ngokwana turamangana twatigirete nchera na ki wiki ya beire
mbiye ya beire rende nonye tokonya kumnyoka isko at least now we are back to work
corona na kito gendrete emere okay na kwariganire
yes thank you so much
mbiya mono ndugu ati jinsa togotuguta ekiagera gwika tukwanira mu Gusii bono ntwakwanete wiki ile twakwanira mangana ime county ya Kisii mangana county ya Nyamira bilibigendrete gwika bono asige sungo turate na state of the counties ina kichigendrete mirobili abekirwe barayi twachorete ebi nambire kotini mangana jemo naro chikurungo sie kuchire chi petition inchirororo dukukwana dora hasla fund abana ngo chakabara matemu ebito iga ebi ngetutakire kokwanira yes wono tukatuchakirega ese wiki yiga na romu governor bwe county ya Kisii moske honorable Simbarati gagoteba buna aba antobali bali kiroro gusaba kuri mirimo be county ya Kisii
about 5000 about 900
yes ngorigere kubara masakarabo torore na ki masakara inari bya diploma degree no ndo bwa certificate ngayikwanye rusitie andi ne ribya ika chagete litani kuri ligo sabantu mu barona kiolenge ngate kinekirenga ari kurigia elinde korana kiyo choke wage bill ndagete Petronila ndagete tombe kira robot yoruo alafu ngeli yogiga iga elinde engineer igwa mangana yikigima na kiyo mugabana arengego kwana kubwatekana nengane iyo ya okurigera ki certificate ngangi ngane yo ngango robot yoru Petronila
omorobeli obwokobara abakoli emirimo nabo igokoli ya certificate cyabo ime county ya Kisii nigosie kwa bene no mugabana bwe county yo Paul Simbarati asensemo ya ATC
digo chingaki cyo kubarundero cya enkwera shirika riri ya the Institute of Human Resource Management baansire kwira nabale baansi bono korora kiro muntu ngakiaso etikaunt
gokwa nanigo ainekia okolingolirwa kwa bakoli emirimo kiribu isano ne chimikenda asoko bwaterana ne kyombegetenene tamatemwa nek asoko enekia obwasioku
na tuabekire kibese supplementary kibese kiko chako verify certificate cy'abantu kibanyo the form 4 na kiba kote diploma kera diploma ende yonse matemwa kole na diploma nek ekoru ki certificate ibo twali kere nek twanchirane na barabo bons batebri nande batwanchirite gotokorere enusi eligo liri bawo korali ya kawaida ligo liri ya kawaida ile kiri bibere na 500 lakini nek banchire ekerne serikali se serikali banchire gotokorere selwe yemo na 250 certificate yeye
boigo nigo aine kibuna okubara okuona kokora eneki emirimo elia omonto aganeire gokora
kubara ukona bukora tokonye abantu okolegas balike onye no munyagitali akoro munyagitali wano mugendi eroli agendi eroli oye no mwabusi atkole kwabusa kwae mpaka kiro montamana waabusire kumwe eng'eria.
Nigo aene kibuna onde bwensi osoete ase county asenchera etali endonge na chikwemokerigwa egetambukiro.
Kwa hivyo mtaona watu wakipiga nduru na wakubali yaishi. Kama waliingia kwa certificate ambazo hazikuwa mzuri, walitengeneza zao zingine, sijabini Simba hajaenda shule. Sasa nataka nione wale ambao hawakwenda shule, tutapambana na wao. We must have, people must earn from where they have done what. So
bono nigo aene kebuna robotindo chigosoka kurwa ase ekiombe gianek magega ye wiki eyamo na onde bwensi oratokekane na masakara yobolimo na rusigwe abisi
gonya sai ka wanje na nde weekend eyamo konyo atore results shows kurwe snake koro kibantu mbale barostia masakara yobolimo masakara ji certificate ba cherere mboke university ole wao to denga onye kwa roseti ne koibanga oburuge bituma otoletere tugure nendagira turagereria abantu baitu abarwere baitu nyagitari.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
No kigima oyo argentio roboti oruniga kwa Frida Kerubo ko igwerero manyene kwa rigiriro roboti buno mukabana ago kwana ko kwatekana ninga neyo birengeri byombiribi.
Now I think when nago tetinga omugabano ukikosoa Kisii we carried the first 3 months we catch korosi ara sibye nyumba ara be kopsi boronge
erabe.
I think that I told you that
enkotu akwanete gorengane
and actually it has come.
Okay.
Ngakotebia, you know, there is so many things very as a county boronge.
Yes.
So for the government to come in, we came in the yara ibikaburonge. Asibi obsianye bik anyachoke. Abantu bari department arale monto kiororo and all that. Ukamboni ngono governor otata chikubuta. That is imbo kubabuta. He's not the one who is starting them. Now, you know, buna one for example, unolega you must yani
ugwata masakarao akolete tema.
For example, like engineer amonta mbolinga ki engineer toanga masakarao na bonko wanga kirarango si
na yoche de primary secondary university asujide na college we kabono
university na reji who are my classmates or my college mates.
Yes.
You know, na amonta kolinga ki inkiwa somene the university.
Yes.
Who was your lecturer?
Changa ikire
na ikibije kirega no nyine kwirende no nyine you know ekroko graduate.
Yes.
There is that booklet.
Okay.
Ekworkinga ki
no
John Kebati
na graduate kuru school
graduated on this field
admission number
for the award.
Yes.
For the degree of this.
Yes.
Tadenga tohango in that booklet.
Okay.
Ona yekereta itata
tubu atipi akinore county okuri
kibesa ihote ngansi bokofuta
karatiga noroche na ande yake omugabana na abantu getakuria ekera chikwana chakwari bifike na ki nguriya abantu gete arusio busabe kabaye ikine kikirenga.
I don't think so. The way una manyete governor na actually is somebody I know.
Yes.
Even before Atracha to be the governor.
Yes.
Pintovia eto como tenga kito como letra mangana korusiko.
Yes.
You want to discover the truth. Is it truly Anye Kebati? Amana about papers. So then let's put that papers on the people.
Okay.
Yatu chibikange SMS igoro. Chiro kaninga kiki pepe chia maana wanda wao kwa mbiyo.
Yes.
To me I can say the government is doing a good job.
Yes.
Because after that ghost workers occurred that exercise.
Yes.
Once they want who is eligible.
Okay.
Ingo when the cover because and it's very sad.
Yes.
Gusii, you are the director of Gusii Education. Gusii, you are the director of Gusii Development.
Yes.
Gusii, you are the director of Gusii Health. Lakini krokuli ya amasakarao
kwa nyoranga
kakene nkeje. Gonsi mbogosi. Bono muntu mnojo ngaki. You see that's why we don't have people who can deliver.
Okay.
In the county.
Ege tutete gote bnike.
Yes.
Chinkakiechi otumire farm.
Yes.
Ye no ne serikali.
Yes.
Ko nek.
Go scrutinize.
Go scrutinize.
Yes.
Inchetal gutumika inchiringa bune yuchinga kichintangani asa mangana ya bakulimira boma dali tangani ria jete na tenese gali yao nini lakini agacha maiga ya jena ria jete kuligie farm eje gukora auditing
and I think even into akwanere ngagotenga you see the best thing omogana atigari gi the registered farm ekole egento gekorokunga auditor auditing aringa kia bantu hanga kibarikire but then you see nario matrende nere konya soire gazi ntoko mo plan because he wanted to show the public na abantu babusinga ki look nki kegendrete
kirema
nki kiaringi ase obs before transfer omate bintombire kora forensic audit eli umate no antu ba choice ba kore kweri but you know when ekoro korke a public igo ko borokinga this is what is ekanako nyento kegendre robo kurumi konya bareki
bole asichabishi
wantro chyo kore bintabiri bono mate bina mona abantu bare in the office to kwanda kwa roboli haya you see bono you are in the office wasuna mo siole ko sigore director gake ngako chyo koroboli yari gati I cannot wana yanto ganga forensic audit yeche ngaki bwana chon kebati na yesio ya fulani
tangi mtu bya ubo chaga
we have come just we have just come to scrutinize and to confirm
is it necessary?
No, it's very necessary because
is it necessary?
It's
necessary.
No, what's happening is Kisii as we speak obo kurumbu alengo no bonene took it from employment took it from resources yani everywhere left right na kina I think at the first like 6 months we come governor koleki abekim to boronge there is no need onye go someone for example you are the CEO of education na education to might kend then what are you going to deliver Siali, what are you going to deliver?
Ayebono to China is taking so much time as every go vekire bero shine
muna bono ebintu nga ebintas mate you see ekerago koraigo you know is trying to get ngaki loopholes chiesa a government you know the way a government work and spend a lot
kwakana bantu
wakane meshahara
kubwichi gukora samagendo
don't you think it's a good thing because okay you know ngate bande bayo koraigo but onyo aranga abantu abali they are fake emeshahara bako iri bako ye county maybe it's about you know chiwase chinyingi millions don't you think ne encheringi yo koligi encheranga chiwase chako recover back because onyo aranga ngama you word bini okwa kuri omushahara masakaroto bwati inkyota stakiriwe naro nikyo sije
kono tgango tay biamono twakwandire ikaigo mukapa nagenda tigate bana tete go school na isiko chakira form 4 onye gwakorete
you know what's happening
nainde bachi bakachi college no ne degree we gotoka ngano bwato bututuka no sama sakarao obirubege tambukiro kiri chiko
you know what happened this before training university their basic academic qualification
ubando
kutwara unaona during our time akwara okore CP ogenda form 4 okore that KCS ogende A level that's Kenya Advanced Certificate Education omanya konyora point yo kwere university
okay
now the system ya change is KCP ogende form 4 okore Kenya
secondary
Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education.
Good.
Onyole. You know, I sababu gata ngabono the mean grade yaringa about C+ and above.
Guchigoro ya.
Now from NEC mbabuate those kind of records. But remember abantu mbari chisati nchiri kwa on River Road. Umuntu kwa rozo kapse certificate choni kebati.
Engi ya kigima.
Engima. Clean. Omate keroko gendese keroko apply one for example libalet. Omate the other thing which brought a problem dirikaro mate a university ya ko select una ya ko select university. One ga cha ibintu bya kiringa kinabo ko enroll private okore
matemu akiniwa gu certificate genuine
like no monto
like
yes you know ekero kwa obwate certificate ye na okwanda to university otenga amavi ngane ndageta kora sa private student ama private sponsored not sponsored by the government na ye we sponsor ekero kwe sponsor that certificate already but with the university babu atikere you see rine biashara byari
yes
na ba kwali baga
okay
okole nyore degree yao
soka ndagoje
lakini the origin fake
okay bono ndikango bole litanga ndikanda buli mwanchu murigeria bari bandete kurigira likuru asi YouTube na boigono ni TV tulikere go chaka iga tutebie na ibirengeli byao mbiribi oroche umugabana na ikirekerenka gyoko ikera kebigima na kwene kinga bukumi bwaire ase county ya Kisii na bwo ni county chinde orocha bagabana mbakirekerenga gyoko kora obukurumi kurwa si county chito tulikere wetere na mbere gorogabo yesimi elinde tonyore birengeli byao elio tunyare ko bikwanira eke nege ntoroche omugabana na inde abonete ko korapaka ase aba contract aba ekera no mo contract kitanga
exactly nakina
aye no mo engineer Kennedy Omwoyo no mo engineer wanda bia no mo engineer bua mangana ya machi aye tu kwa chabara toliko gacha nyomba windebi aye no mo engineer
wa machi
ntota keire omugabana ne natakire gusukuru tuna isipaka ba engineer aba ne is contract abonsi
you know ekaroko igole company for example let's say for example tenga Kikebati and so company company limited
yes
you see we have who are the directors who are the director of the company
yes
Paro Kisii chia your contribute and the other directors who are your professionals
okay
ntobu atomo engineer fulani you know the papers change not that you know ndo igori just a company ocho we contract gali okole ga sire very fake then you expect iki government yakana na government is not somebody na ba manya thing these things are there abantu mbale bale gwakanwe mbeo tuseme ukweli Togotenga one because ale governor because he has come as a new governor kana igoto no it's not like that we can erage and an officer tenga ki contractor John Kebati company yeye neye nkagache para kor fulani to fulani pale ngakie kwenda you know nabwo ate you know the engineer to certify that this parapare project inja akorwa senjere but is the certificate of payment One eranyora ngaki zakinde kwa kore kende vitayo ngaki gabana nabo myanga kya gwakana no let's be yani ngaki yani gwakana because one kwa chile yani akufurahisha ngaona tako ikachwe sekine chia is a taxpayers money tari chwe chia gabana ni chwe sato mere ngaki
echi koremere ye county
ara kora igo then there's nothing which going to happen so nakia ngaki okay fine jitinda abati ngwakana John Kebati ulifanya contract yanga torrent vyaye ate biko sene omonto korupna nere wono
auditor general
no ate omonto korupna omo engineer Gusii is tatenga count tatenga omo waziri bwa roads
yes county
amatenga ki rianga sabantu bali bonspi batara kana ali get at least Ligiango ngaki abantu amba korte mbale certified ekige kikasi cyabantu korte nkikorere buya yes bono matanyo kobeka x abeke question mark ngaki yo wakano he doesn't have for free money to pay no he's having money to pay genuine money lakini bali ba korte kikasi kire chingia ba korte kikasi genuine na anda mine tibakano mbale baro ba korte kikasi chingia their money kikaba diverted kikagenda sinjira chinga in fact they are supposed to be paid for example umaito na wana through check karaba ko ikaransa the county assembly ekaraba ko beke budget about thing like now we want about 3 billion kigenda sikipara kibese chio kikachiri reserved for roads njibwena chikoba tambered for another thing and that was the problem because why should you have to be we contract or correct contract gwa correct contract besa nchichi wakana what I mean is that one genuine those are the things you have another ngaki how can I just asie keme gwechu sichia ko diverted ikiachwa sana chuno chirore bingi gari wose 3 million nchiri chiao gachire set
for development
yani for that development ngoto wochiro otenga wana tikachwe sechinda ra chiru sinchire wose means ya health wose sinchire wose education no abantu abo already kwa ba committee kwa ba ile contract ba gukora na ichwe sikuru bakara
mangana makong
yes so that's what the government is trying to do
okay
kinga na and this thing nge basi kokora nge basi kobororo you see butukano ngana kichwe sichya ngoro omuntu mago divert ochirusia sipara
yes
chiagenda gosene development ya nyaktari
okay
gose chiakore kwenda ochikokora bintu bitayo
mangana
bono ama gwa komu that's why atwara ba engineer go saja ba contract abande bakure because you see ekaro kwa iru that contract ndo what they LPO
okay
it's again to carry very powerful it's an honor to the bank a country ya ngere korosie paraye produce
asegede baka asegede
ganta gete the total cost kwa kana kore kwa go 10 million but what I want I need about 4 million
okay
bank ya tinga really okay bring that bali ka the undertake that tinga chiwa chiwa kan chiwe chana
asegede
side the chiwa chigo cha warusi chabo au tukere chabo
okay
now what happens this bank ya ona ya kwa chivesa lakini ya tinga before the kwa chivesa give us the collateral.
Okay.
What is the collateral? The collateral can be title deed.
Title deed obulimo.
Egali yao. Ebuate gosine nyumba no ai family ya emete.
Obulimo obwate
chai. No mungno denga kirole na ile contract ga nga amount to na about 10 million.
Yes.
So mungno na ta kwa makong. Denga bae kwende saturi kwende title deed.
Tokole
na ero iguenga kemwa kono nyoregasi.
Yes.
Kolega sio kole.
Besanjio.
Kwa korera swatinga kibono.
Ngakane.
Ngakane.
Miaka 10.
Hakuna pesa.
2013.
Hakuna pesa.
Odraka mpaka bono.
Wono nebe ngina tinga you know there is that what we call time limit.
Okay.
Was the time that you agreed. This project, in a project, the starting time and the finishing time.
Okay.
So it is 6 months. 6 months yeah. This is what you told us. Where is our money?
Okay.
What kibono account tanya kungakana nini and mate kwende banki rete maitiko. The collateral you give nere go. No montorino ane manager ko chibesa. Nere have you returned back the money with interest? What next?
How far ebengira agende ase kurikaba kibeza cyaje kurwaso mu contractor.
Yes.
How far ya kiri gose no bwate example kindi gyonsigiye kibenki kiri cyabatonirete cya kiri cyabo wiri nyomba yabande gose mu yabande. You have an example.
Yes. You know we have what this contracts ba sire. Umatekera wana ande no ani nyombe ucha ko ngake umuntu otenga kyumate nkoni gutore kibat nana to you going to coma.
Yes.
And people have died. Bono mate waro kwende bank they go changa naye kore kwende they give that title and they give that authority to the auctioneer.
Okay. Bacha.
Auctioneer check na haya watenga kibati.
Twakarigori. Kagalia account
goje. Kwanza ukota mo nyanganyo. Nande mate is embarrassment. Nane studio kore kunyango na ngufunga kino wate deni ijwe.
Yes kale.
Kwa uliru. Bono kwa na nyumba. I tell you it's a problem. That's why a governor is trying to kosieka these loopholes.
Yes.
Ama ene no ana kabatie kroko wa nyomba. Otenga ki I'm just setting about 100 million ko 100,000 kwa ache project. To kende kama euro siweze chiri kali. Are you doing that to that project?
Umaite no nyego goteba igo emuchando mbwate no na ba contract. Okay, te ba contract aboka.
Yes.
Ndubwate abali mu ECDE bonship bandi konyora mbaraka no.
Yes.
Ani barali kuno permanent. Ndubwate abantu abangi batraka no as county ya Kisii. Okagete enjire yo mugabana ko enda nechigo konya kiro monto anyole engeria at the right time.
Because now what's going to happen? Ebese wote ne ya ECD baka ishimiwe.
Okay.
You cannot divert it.
Take on down.
Nga yukunyerera avyo. Side that mwalimu mwenye kara kare kwere. For sure, mwalimu mwenye koregas for 1 month.
Yeah.
Tabu ati moshara. Bake na be human. Omuntu nga kira go survive na family yae.
Nako.
Ai kwa rusi chiwese yani kwa assume wacha divert kwa ira nga ki antaongocha pesa nyingine maja kumwakana. This a human being. So to me I think the government is doing the right thing. as far as I'm concerned. Of course, you know, there are some people who have got other different opinions.
Motives,
but na meona onye kiwe sichia kile set for this. Na akore contract ya na akore. As for example, na akore na ale mina match na akore. Na chirenga igwe. Why should I think of a sichia lonji? Don't you think? Are you saying that he's doing the right thing? Yeah, but from the fence.
Yes.
Konya koruto mo gaba na Makindi.
Okay.
Na bantu abano chikubaligeraria. Okora nga batomire. Nande no chikubali kora nga ki omonto ino ane village elder ta ko chorwa. You know omugavana.
Yes.
This is omugavana tai monto mo kora gachiche.
Yes.
This is somebody who is duly elected as the governor of the county.
Yes.
Yani nga bantu bonse bakamu-elect.
Yes.
So if you have got a point, nande kubwate nga kinobwate something that you want to discuss with the governor.
Yes.
His doors is open.
Okay.
Yeah. Governor, to me,
yes,
I believe this thing is not right.
Yes.
Lakini kwenye gwaka kwa romo ngwana getari kusinga kikurukusinga Cyrus.
Yes.
You know kana gotenaga ali kwanza kora ame governor kwanza kora. The governor is not right. That is somebody who is officially elected.
Okay.
You know, it's like now, for example, president. The only problem with governor batabwati, those powers when the president.
Okay.
Otherwise, when you those governors, I want to go na majab.
Tikango turaligiria omwanchu murigiria mono kigima kera wandete kuligiria muruburi gweke ombwe magaro ya bono Tiberius Nyanga yora mbia mono kigima chinga gichintambe ndo na corona indorona ne musiko nte no ligere tio muruburi gweke ombu emoroko pa ya bono mbia mono kigima asogwereri bagerio mbia mono kigima agata amangana na artu akwanirete igoro ya payment chikanisa ya Nyamawa parish gonyora chinga kinjira na ringe radio mbabwa to muchando asemo ya Nyamawa nkabiko robot gete ase radio kagyo bagaka no kibesa ko nginyoria mbia mono kigima gazi ndu akorete bia matukari na bono no tori Ndizi atokobeka yande
thank you
wana taita baga contractors na ECDE boss bakanu gazi ne rto koraga mbia mono
that will be very good
iner gas to korabna Ndizi TV alafu na ke gotebana Simba is doing a great job but sisi Nyamira nyalibo tali gokora mangana ngabuna yu akuru ku Josephat Nyanumba Atawambia mono kigima Josephat Nyanumba igobono mugabana bwe county ya Kisii ya Nyamira nere na mwente kuligerera abto kumanya lakini kira soete liri entangani abantu mbara ligereti na borobo kwana na rabigita abantu gete isko
yes now thing aki that time power the powers matekerole you know as a deputy bono go so kinyenyekea this is the time now want Nyamira now Nyamira yo mondo nganere the governor Nyamira akolegasi ekorekana because now he's having the full mandate full powers as the governor of Nyamira County and the second governor Nyamira County koroknanere nyaribo yes one woman tabuga there is no an excuse one ngentulinga kitiago to my time maybe there are like 6 months neranga pull the border socks yes
what if the job somebody applied for was form 4 as it was advertised ngeta kubolina iratoke gasie you know monto form 4 ega applied aga apply ikaba advertised aga apply agaita nere nabonete kurushigwa singani
you know but it's very genuinely form 4 and what a very genuine certificate na bala apply lakini certificate is fake that's not this actually what the governor is looking omaite amatemara makongo na matema form 4 na matema form 4 na rawo tambo to any level
college
college
technical university college mid-level university colleges
form 4 that's the key the key exam ana nada matemara makongo nanda nada matema wate shida akele monto kwa university is monto kwa it's not easy no monto kwa university
na watu mchana biamono kigima Mr. Kembati and engineer good evening biamono kigima this is Makori Vinley biamono Makori Vinley thank you for the good question but remember that corruption in Africa cannot be ended but it's all about reducing it to a significant level yani corruption that can be safeguard the county resources from incurring further losses. To eradicate corruption, there must be a very strong internal control system in the country and be ethical in all aspects, not forgetting integrity as the main virtue.
That's very good. You see, current system.
Yes.
You see, this thing started no mchezo.
Yes.
But the corruption doesn't come like that either. Aya, yeye kama mwana oibe karamu.
Yes.
Maambie bige tabu kimu. Bone akishika moto,
yes.
Bona ako hivi ndivyo.
Yeah.
Now this corruption now, for example, in the county.
Yeah.
And another thing, on your linga, for example, but now you are my boss.
Yeah.
Or I'm your boss.
Yes.
Na korrigen tugete, kere jikaronge.
Yes.
Do you think I can punish you? Because already na korrigen inje your boss.
Yes.
Na korrigen take it.
To company kiara already tori kielelezo.
Integrity is not there.
Yes.
Mumana mbulia sende.
Okay.
Bono now that's what has happened. Actually interviews cover. I remember one time actually even I applied for a job
as a county.
Yeah. That job was, and I thought and I qualified. Yeah, and I was qualified. When I can apply, a very inside friend, all related to the family of Gambi, whatever county.
Yes.
I want to be engineer. Jeribnante in the Oconia. So it's like just a formality and then a key. I know Rocobori. I got it yet. I knew apply to city and actually a city or somebody else was given. I can also scrutinize it. That job, it does not even qualify.
Okay.
So actually, me I saying that the governor is the current governor is doing excellent job.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you see, I might take a more apply. Say for example, let's say there is now, for example, there is one what's the name? There is a job you have advert.
Yes, you have advertised yes, county.
Yes. We apply, Franny apply, everybody to an interview.
Okay.
Competitive interview. Pass scrutinizing. Among this, this is the best.
Okay.
You know, no colleagues you go colleagues that you know this man can deliver.
Okay.
Like ni kronkolen to monto ke to tai saini. Actually, no monto was this any boss yandet.
Yes.
One yes sir. Yes sir.
There's
nothing I can do. That need the end let me just finish that point. But you can for example, actually in my thing I've been given on merit nature as in Nairo. No, I'm not going to my engineer look here, boss. If I do this, this is the result.
Okay.
If I do that, we are not going to achieve that. Challenge.
Yes.
Because in the genuinely. Yes, and I won't correct.
Okay.
Then I cannot believe.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Abana baria bakebanse basikira matemu nagendrete waziri bwa mangana yejisemi muske Ezekiel Machogu oyokurwa sorgo nkoro itro Gusii na atebanga serikali ochioso no anyeni igo na kana robot yoru na inde so robot twakora atebamna engaki eskuru gichko igorwa school fees ni jikokina ande yake kupata kana asinge jobro riri bro bwa corona school fees yake ti wake wono gichko nyiri ni bare asisemo ya nomo kolengana ne calendar buye kiri gichko chaka bono maite maga yobro bari gocha calendar ya salegete lakini gocha kero January gade school ira igoru January tare 24 around ya 24 nari school ira igoru kurubono ine meti hebira bana ba gichko bera isko ingana nkyo bwa turakwanere kubwatikana na mangana document school fees
Morning amatemto chokora agosa chokoro these three amatemmo kora maganga CPC that is junior secondary.
Yes.
Abantu bakokora abantu bakokora gali I think millions about over 100 million baete bagenda into junior second school.
Yes.
Abantu bakoronga Kenya primary certificate education ngona arongo kora bali.
Yes.
Na abantu bakoronga Kenya second certificate education arongo kora bali. Go to what three groups. Okay, fine. Abantu abakorere n'abantu even no n'abantu abekaro kugenda secondary nabona abantu aba CPC it is a problem. Kero mati no bonto nganaiga.
Abana basini n'igweta bari bakuma.
Bambranya no wespiri chianga.
Boka banyene.
No abandi baje they are going to have a problem.
Igwaye twanjira ndi umurobiriosi.
No mia. Lakini you see mba awakukipanga sawa sawa.
Yeah.
Naona chikuru nchire kitabu ya maji. school nchini chibwate problem na chido una mate karo admit abantu aba for example karo admit abantu aba
to the CBC aba
CPC that is standard 6 una wana we could admit abantu almost maybe like in school chini national about 1500 and above was below.
Yes.
Eko genda next year baachire 3000.
Yes.
Na ndo mate next year still in form 1 na standard na the last one na standard 8 which okoro.
Yeah.
About it's like now you are taking double entry. Because na nyati school chinyingi. Abana bakurara babere.
Evitanda.
Because it's takiribo. There is no space. One is like abalimu they are stressed. It's not that the system is bad. But earlier it was not earlier preparation. It was not prepared well. Say that this congestion take cover.
Okay.
Now this thing one actually result ngwaro tinga wono no nyine mo wazibu na whatever iran back the school fees.
Okay.
Ngaki the school fees ya iran back ya mentero. Which means ni mulima ni kazi.
Aho iboli kunyara bara mu cyando akara chiskuru chikoigoro. Yes.
Una wana wako nyanga kumwana na watu mwana CPC uri konyore primary asere boarding children secondary.
Yes.
Ke ose KPC ose bonsi abantaba oyo abana ko na bara university.
Muchando no karo.
And you see the economy ya Kenya mne.
Na ya beire.
Ngaya abantu bakuru chibesa. Me and you na otra nyore chibesa. Osi na wanda nyanya njazi nyina ngane. Lakini wana mnanda one ile ntegegia CPC. Sana muna wana nyanya tenga abana bali CPC mostly is the internet. Such that inga omwoyo uri otenyare.
Otabuga internet ya lisa kare mashinani me.
Otabuga TSM. Mwana ite yosoma. Everything just from the internet, everything I go download. So it is a problem.
Engineer Ekeumbu nkiara sibuka kana murai kwense kyale ko bogoria maoni ose birengere bya bantu aye ngwa rwete birengere bya
public
ngwa rwete birengere bya
well I could not just give that
inki na yo kurani serikali maya
no because
engineer na ya
one
inki kwa
even tombiro ma tora comment
onyora gwe bigira kon
tainga na kongolioka onyore bia retre shida skebati. So there are some things as a leader you just watch and you look at them but you know the consequences.
Yes.
For example toko nyoro monto vegete koro teke mokere go se soxy mere different ne different no na ko mate ne boss yao o ma ko mate se public ko mate soxy kwa ka obe
mbobe mo chandora ko be
kwa ndo sinki ko koro
mo chandora dio ko
you have the problem. So it's okay. The government has introduced that.
Yes.
I think what's going to happen is that maybe in the next few years we are going to have that problem. After that the problem will be normalized.
Okay.
The problem is we are struggling. They are looking for resources. The government is looking resources. After maybe like this is the first intake next year. Another one on your the third year they are normalized. So there's no need to comment negative about it.
Okay.
No. You just give them the nafasi, then so that you support that system because already it's in place.
Okay.
You as a person, muna kebati, to kunyara kwenye kana.
Lakini ndio tumna tolgo rusika ama iteka si tumna ndo baralia osichi media house kwa katolika rina ngi ngi mecha devere.
Na watu kwenye
kwana. Na point out.
Na watu kwenye kwana.
Yes.
But rende vinto vindo kutira serikali and sometimes tawasa kwa serikali.
Oye. Bia bono. Na leo tabana Ndizi TV bwana Yesu asifiwe kebati na engineer water engineer water you know what engineer bwa maji era Gusii soil lab technician era soil lab technician ada Kisii sewerage by Strasbourg company igate babu atama sakara ine number 2 ada bono mugabana Simba mbuyari emirima akora nemia abantu bari bari gitu kinyumbani abande batubwati masakara maya igotika bagendenka na bagoteba
that one is very quite you know you see let me tell you nabora nyaranga if you are not affected directly you are affected indirectly.
Okay.
No bwato mwana rose kaza ni yao
ochire skuru
osomere university avwate genuine papers omwana oyo chire nkai gabwa applied.
Yes.
Abante konyore gasi akole nera and realize the goodness of amasomaye. But education is very bitter but the fruits are very sweet. Omanyira konyoranga li kurutu umuntu tobwete kende nerore bosia tago tenga cousin gose nini nda afadhali hata sinkwenda shule
nikimanya ekiara usikurigiriria county ya Kiambu sama tuko gwikibirisa to cha etrich nyumba cha gure sana
yes
abantu ande yake abantu abakuri kuna masakarataria maya bali chiko akina bagerere muchando muno yogendera
what happens this nawone krokoli ka gose ne kwak ole nkwalo cyo mungwano lyo osibetu imyaka gose nerenga
oliyo munyagitari oliyo rengo ko korera basubati
ko korera ibintu biri
imyaka 20 na kianda
you know the life of a human being is under threat.
Yes,
that's why konya ngabo abantu bago because of those they are in the hands of the quacks. That's why you get now chipara chinyinge chechi chiatago after some time because of the quacks.
Yes,
that's why konya na chinyomba chinyinge chiagwa because of the quacks. Yani it is just a chain.
Okay,
so that's